Hi everyone, this is Vishal from Recon Capital. Currently we are watching at the Lupin Labs stock and we are watching the monthly time frame. We can see over here in the month of September, the stock had given a close of 2045.15, which is a higher close in comparison to the close in the March month of 2015, which was at 2019.95, which clearly shows that the close in September was the higher close, but the technical oscillator is showing a lower close, which means that this is a negative divergence and probably the upward momentum in the stock is currently getting weaker. Apart from the negative divergence, we can also see a dark cloud cover in the October month, which is a negative candlestick pattern. Also, the volumes after the fall in the 7th month, the stock did give a pullback from 1594 to 2132 levels in the month of October. But we can see that the volumes are coming down and the stock prices were heading upwards. This is also a negative divergence, which means we can clearly see that the 3 out of 3 signals on this chart are negative. None of them are the positive signs for the stock. Let's have a look at the weekly time frame. Again, on the weekly time frame, we can see the same story, that in the month of September the stock has given a higher close in comparison to the March month, but the technical oscillator has given a lower close. Apart from this negative divergence, we can also see that the stock price is trading currently below the 50 weeks moving average, and this has happened the second time after the 12th month of 2011. Means it has happened after the December 2011. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, the stock had given a decent pullback in the month of December. From 1696, the stock almost gave a pullback to 1862. Although the stock did not manage to close above the 50 days moving average, what was the reason? The reason for that was very clear, that there was multiple resistance at this level. First of all, there was a 38.20% retracement. Also, we had a Fibonacci, we had a candle cluster which consisted of almost 7 to 8 candles which had been traded on the same levels many days back, and there was also this 50 days moving average which also gave a resistance to the stock. And in the last 3 days we have seen that the stock has collapsed from 1840 levels to level of 1746, which is today's low. We can also see that the technical oscillator is trading below the 50 levels, and there is a breakdown in this particular oscillator which shows that the current momentum in the stock is very much strong on the downside. Now, if this stock manages to close below 1750, then we can expect this stock to correct towards 1700 and 1600. That's all guys for today. Trade well.